Everyone, to a video today, guys. Today, this is gonna be one hectic short video. Now, it was supper time, right? I went down to eat, and I had mashed potatoes with green beans, with hot dogs and pepperonis. And my opinion, the best combo ever. And while I was eating, I heard this, and I was like, "What is that?" Okay, maybe that's just the washing machine. But then I heard even like someone was slapping someone. And at that point, I was like, you know what, just eat up really, really fast. And I ate like really, really fast. And never eaten so fast in my life. But do you think it was really the washing machine? Like, I can't really explain it, but my mom and her boyfriend seems like, okay, whatever, it's probably just the washing machine. But I don't know. I know my house is haunted, but you can barely catch anything. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure every video from now on and go back and check all my videos to see if you hear or see anything unusual. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.